Hello all. As the topic involves, today comes a subtle makeup from home. How to do that for your Zoom call meeting or your work from home meetings or your online classes. As a beginning, use a cream whichever you use on daily basis, whichever is suitable for you, a moisturizer or any daily creams. I'm using something which is suitable for me now because you can find some pimples in my face. So a cream which I use for my pimples and stuffs during such days, I'm using that. So I'm massaging it gently onto my face. Prefer anything of your choice. I think no need to go with foundation and stuffs and heavy makeups because you're just going to be at home and it's only going to be an hour of meeting or something. And yes, don't accumulate yourself with more work using foundation, primers and stuffs. And also this video is to reduce your burden on heavy makeup and giving you ideas to do something with limited makeup and reduce the burden over that. Make sure you apply around the eyes so that your dark circles isn't visible much. So I'm not going to stop with this. So I'm also using a concealer, Lakme concealer. So I'm going to apply it so that yes, my dark circles sometimes visibly appears. So to hide that I'm doing it, or else it would be separately seen. For someone with dark circles, you may prefer this, or if you have a clear skin, yes, no need, don't do concealing and all. Just have a cream and go ahead of the makeup. And also if you have some blemishes over some areas, you can use this concealer, but I'm not applying to my pimples. Already the pimples are burning and stuff, so I cannot increase that by applying a concealer or something on that. And applying it is not, sometimes it may burn and I doesn't want to touch my pimples, so I'm not going to apply concealers over there to reduce the blemishes of the pimples. And I'm using rose water just because mine is not a liquid concealer. So this one, sometimes it's visible as flakiness, as flakes. I feel somewhat to wet it and to make it settle. I love that, so I keep using this rose water along with the concealer whenever I apply, as I'm using this lipstick type of concealer. Yes, I have applied it around my lips, so a bit around the corners of my lips, nothing but just rose water, and also around the eyes, especially at the corner of my eyes and the nose. And I'm blending it well with a brush, thick brush. And now I'm going to I'm going to go with rose powder. So this is a SPF filled rose powder, as we are at home, no need of SPF and stuff, so I'm using a rose powder, so no need of SPF at home. But yes, we are just at home, even moisturizer will do. That's what I said, select a cream whichever you use on daily basis or based on your skin. If you are with more pimples or with more damages in your skin and you prefer something to apply, just apply it. Along with that, you can have a concealer if you have blemishes, or else just apply it and have a rose powder and just then start over your eyebrows and concentrate on your eyes. So I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm not going to apply separately eyebrows, and I'm not going to fill it up or color it up. I'm just making it look as such. I'm just combing it over with this brush so that it would give me a natural look, and I too won't have the burden of makeuping at home. I'm just at home, I can be me, so I'm just combing it and making it look neat. Also for the eyes, I haven't applied anything. I've just used that brush and I'm just giving a turn to my eyes, eyelids, I'm sorry, the eyelashes, but I'm not applying anything, mascara or kajal, nothing. But I think eyeliner would do, so I'm doing the eyeliner. You can see how I'm doing my eyeliner. So in one stroke, yes, I'm doing it. So prefer any color which you use, and whichever you prefer. I think it would be more subtle when it is brown. It won't be seen highlighted. As well, you're having something at the same time, so it will be very subtle and neat, I suppose. So for office meeting and office, this would do. Even black will give you more beauty, and it will highlight your eyes, of course. So I want to be subtle, so I have selected this. Select a color of your choice and do it. So you mix it just like that, or have a messy bun and make your hair look like this or like this. So if you have fringes, you can have them like this, or like at one side or both the sides, whichever you suppose. Have a look over my eyeliners. And for lips, any lip balm will do. So I'm just applying a lip balm, and if suppose so that you're at home, you only need some moisturizer for your lips. Then if suppose you are a glossy person, I love to fill my lips with gloss. You would have seen already I have done some glossy lips makeup tutorial, and you can find that in my playlist. So I am applying some gloss over it because I love my lips to be seen this way. And then now how I do my bun. So that's it, a simple makeup. If you are a bindi person, if you want to have it, you can have that. So this would be the look with a long looking straight vertical bindi, or else if you want a round one, I will show you that also. So anything would prefer, even without a bindi will do. And if you think you need some more kajal or something to highlight your eyes, you can do that also. You can have a look how it looks. If you feel it's overlooking for something from home, to have a subtle look, you can avoid it. So this is it.